So I sign my own leases, I'm in charge of my own insurance, and it's one of the ways I sleep at night. I don't leave that stuff to chance. When I was a kid, I was in New York City. My brother had an office in one of the Trump buildings downtown in the financial district, and Donald Trump signed all of his own leases. His signature was on my brother's lease for my brother's office. And I'll never forget, I said to my brother, "What's up? Why is someone like Donald Trump signing his leases?" My brother looked at me and said, "He signs all of his leases." And it hit me so hard, like that's where the buck stops, right? The lease document. Things can change, but once you sign it, that's what the deal is. So it made sense to me that Donald Trump or anybody else who's managing expensive and important portfolios of real estate would want to see that contract come across their desk and be the one that gets to sign the contract. Now, I'm sure they've got a summary page. I'm sure their legal team or their leasing team is prepping them on what the key bullet points are of the contract that's in front of them. But they're looking at that prep, and then they're going right to the document. They're going to review that document and sign it. That's what I do every day. So I sign my own leases. I'm in charge of my own insurance. And it's one of the ways I sleep at night. I don't leave that stuff to chance.